guys, I'm back. I'm going to talk about the cleanser our daughter uses. So I was going to put that on the same video as Barrage, but decided I'd split it up. So our daughter's 12, so she's that age, you know, where her skin is changing. And doTERRA actually makes a cleanser for the youth, but also anyone that's particularly acne prone can still use this cleanser as well. So it's called HD Clear. Again, it comes in a kit. It's 3 items, or you can purchase individually. So this is a foaming face wash, and it's just awesome in getting out, you know, getting into those pores and getting your skin cleansed, getting that oil and dirt off. You just simply pump it into your hands, rub it on your face, and you're good to go. There's quite a few different oils in it, so I'll just take a minute to read them to you now. So there's willow bark extract, black cumin seed, hoe wood, tea tree, eucalyptus, litsea, geranium, bitter orange, tangerine, orange, licorice, and magnolia in it. So loads of oils in this to really just help that skin. Next, what you do is you've got this roller ball of oil, and this is just 100% oil, and it's got black cumin, hoe wood, tea tree, litsea, eucalyptus, and geranium in it. And this you don't apply to the whole face, you apply it as needed to kind of irritated or any spots you have on your face. Then you follow it up with the HD Clear Facial Lotion. So this, again, it's a lot of the same oils: willow, hoe wood, black cumin, eucalyptus, litsea, geranium, tangerine, bitter orange, magnolia, regular orange, guar. So just loads of oat, loads of good stuff in there, and then you just apply it per normal twice a day, and she's really loved that.